Good day, everyone. I am Ariana Dacunes together with my groupmates Kirsten Aguilar, Francine De Los Santos, Isa Gallardo, Priscilla Irabon, Amy Manuel, and Riza Obias. Our group will be introducing Oral Medcare, a digital approach to improving post-treatment care and patient compliance. The overall outline of this presentation can be seen here in this slide. Post-treatment medications are crucial for promoting healing and alleviating the pain experienced by the patient. However, patient non-adherence to medication remains a significant problem in healthcare, including the medical and dental fields. Dental treatments are often overlooked, which significantly contributes to non-compliance. Several factors contribute to this issue, with one of the major barriers being poor provider-to-patient communication. Other contributing factors include forgetfulness, fear, lack of understanding about the medication, the perception of treatment as unnecessary, lack of accessibility, and high medication costs. This non-adherence poses additional risks to patients as it undermines the effectiveness of treatment, leading to complications and increased healthcare costs. By leveraging technology, patient non-adherence can be addressed to improve both individual health outcomes and community well-being, helping patients improve medication compliance. Therefore, this project introduces Oral Medcare, a daily reminder and medication tracker app that notifies patients to take their post-treatment medication. The Oral Medcare app is specifically focused on oral health and enables continued dentist-to-patient interaction even after the dental appointment through its notification system. This project emphasizes the importance of the connection between the dentist and the patient, as well as the crucial role of dental practitioners in educating patients on the significance of medication adherence.
Oral Medcare sets itself apart from other medicine tracker apps by specializing exclusively in oral health, fostering a strong dental patient connection through an intuitive notification system that extends beyond dental appointments. The scope of the application's features are the following. The app's primary feature is a notification delivery system, ensuring seamless communication between patients and dental healthcare providers, promoting effective post-treatment care. Notifications are automatically sent and personalized to meet each patient's specific needs. Additionally, the app includes a checklist tracker to monitor patient compliance and progress. However, there are limitations, such as how the application will not offer a direct messaging system between the patients and the dentists, and will only provide the clinic details and location. It only includes clinics that sign up and undergo a verification to ensure that the services are legitimate. As per the nature of post-treatment compliance, it ultimately relies on the patient's choice and habits if they want to comply.
Now let's proceed to the project's goals and objectives. Through the use of Oral Medcare, we envision to completely eliminate patient non-compliance to post-treatment care and to fully optimize dental care for patients as they develop long-lasting discipline and responsibility in obtaining the best treatment journey. As for our mission, we aim to enhance post-treatment oral care for patients and provide compliance assurance for dental professionals by leveraging technology enabling facilitation of medication management and communication between dentists and their patients. Now, to achieve this, we have set key objectives. The primary objective of this project is thus to ensure patient compliance with post-treatment care and instructions through the creation of the Oral Medcare app. Success will be evaluated based on user feedback regarding the app's effectiveness, with the goal of having the app fully operational within 1 year of project initiation.
The specific objectives for our project are as follows. First, the notification system aims to ensure patient compliance by reminding patients of their post-treatment directives and notifying dentists and dental staff when the patient has taken their prescribed medication. Second, the tracking system enables patients to track their progress and follow necessary instructions for post-treatment medication as set by their own dentist while also allowing dentists and dental staff to monitor patient compliance. Finally, the profile setup and registration system ensures access limitation through a physician registry, facilitating the secure exchange of health information between dentists and patients during the post-treatment phase, while guaranteeing the legitimacy of all users through profile setup and registration system.
Now let's move on to the proposed development methodology, starting with the concept diagram. Figure 1 shows the data flow between patients, dentists, and clinic staff through the use of the application. All users must sign up, with dentists and staff adding their clinic's details. Dentists generate a QR code that contains the post-treatment care plan, which patients can scan to view their healthcare plan, automatically being encoded on the application. Patients receive notification for prescriptions and follow-ups, and their compliance is tracked and shared with the dentist and the clinic staff. The application offers a comprehensive system that addresses the common issue of patient compliance with post-treatment care by enabling better monitoring by dental professionals. Additionally, it motivates patients by providing easy access to their treatment plan via their mobile devices.
Considering that oral Medcare is a project with definite objectives and requirements, it will be built through the waterfall development methodology. The waterfall methodology is known as the fixed and structured model, which has sequential stages, namely requirements, analysis, design, implementation, testing, delivery, and maintenance. Since the development of the application would not require crucial changes or flexible control unlike other apps, and is better to achieve just a simple and smooth navigation, it does not demand a development methodology capable of making adjustments within the software. As a final output of the project, an online application, Oral Medcare, will be developed and available for different mobile gadgets, whichever is aligned with the preferences of a user. The application will present a consent form for data privacy of the user and will lead them to the registration process, as this is crucial in the management, security, and credibility of the system. The position registry will be the next prompt a user will see in the app, which will direct them to choose their position of whether they are a patient, dentist, dental staff, or clinic registering for usage. Every user will be required to undergo the registration process and asked to provide specific requirements to ensure smooth and secured management of the application. After registration, the app system will automatically incorporate its reminder feature along with the gadget's alarm system. Through the application, dentists can provide e-prescriptions with specific post-treatment instructions and design a personalized medication tracker for their patients to ensure accuracy, which can then be shared with the patient through a QR code. Patients can then rely on the given instructions in the application and monitor their medication intake by updating their customized tracker, which will then notify the dentist in real time.
The project will follow a timeline based on the system development lifecycle spanning approximately 2 years from January 2025 to July 2026, with the app expected to be deployed in the former year. The project is thus divided into 5 phases, namely planning, analysis, design, implementation, and support. The first half focuses on the initial phases, planning and analysis, where key tasks include gathering requirements, documenting them, and validating with stakeholders. These 2 phases occur concurrently, allowing real-time scope refinement. Upon approval, we move into the design phase, where the development team creates the system prototype, followed by the stakeholder approval. Once the design is finalized, the implementation phase begins, which includes system development, testing, and quality assurance before deployment. Finally, the support phase focuses on post-deployment tasks such as bug fixes, maintenance, and continuous enhancement based on the user feedback. This feedback will be crucial in assessing the overall success of the project and guiding future improvements.
In general, beneficiaries of this project would be the community of the clinics that would utilize the Oral Medcare app. Patients who would be needing post-treatment care would have the most benefit, while dentists and dental practitioners will be able to take advantage of that benefit as it could ensure quality post-treatment care for their patients through the use of oral Medcare. For the project to materialize, the main sponsors and stakeholders identified are dentists and dental practitioners from different dental clinics. As further support, local government units and non-governmental organizations are also invited to be sponsors and stakeholders as this project would benefit the communities they guide and supervise. The success of oral Medcare would lead to a great impact not only on the post-treatment behaviors of many Filipinos, but also on their overall oral health, thus earning a huge chance of attaining better lifestyle and well-being in the long run.
We believe that Oral Medcare is a project truly worth future support and investment. We've conducted a thorough SWOT analysis which shows that Oral Medcare is not just an idea, it's a solution with tremendous potential. The project has various strengths, one of which is the team's first-hand experiences and subsequent knowledge of challenges in post-treatment adherence. Through this, the team has a glimpse of the basic requirements to improve compliance as integrated into our app's features. The members also have access to a network of potential contacts of domain experts through intelligent and experienced dentists. Information needed for the app's features can be additionally refined through their expertise. Moreover, the proponents of the project are capable of functional collaboration and feedback adaptability, which all serve as an asset to project implementation. The app also has its own unique features that can make it attractive to stakeholders and potential users. These include the app's value and emphasis on the importance of patient honesty and self-reporting, an intuitive, user-friendly interface, among many more. Compared to other medication reminder apps, Oral Medcare also stands out in the market as it possesses a unique feature of dentists being able to see a patient's progress in their compliance. The two-way communication between them allows accountability on both sides. However, despite these strengths, there are some weaknesses. For instance, the project budget is not yet fully secured, which could limit resources for development. The team also faces challenges due to a lack of technical expertise in app programming, hence the need to outsource developers, programmers, and relevant experts. Addressing these limitations through strategic partnerships and resource allocation will be essential to ensure the app's successful execution. Lastly, the simplicity of app features may make it seem narrow in scope. However, this proves that the app can be a starting point for more comprehensive features. If the app starts off too complex, it is more prone to errors. Of the many opportunities the project thus possesses, some can be written as follows. First, the project may be applicable not only in the dental field, but also in the medical field. It can be integrated with various types of post-treatment care and even reminders in maintenance medications in a general healthcare scope. It can also include features in proactive reminders, such as routine checkups for preventive care. Current trends in technology can also be implemented, such as incorporating chatbots for addressing patients' concerns. A threat that the project may face is the potential susceptibility of the application to data breaches or external hackers. This can lead to patients' records being compromised, hence the need for cybersecurity measures to mitigate this threat. Another threat could be the possible changes in policies, specifically in telemedicine or limitations in the incorporation of technology into dental health practices due to security reasons. The hiring of external programmers may also serve as a threat because any mismatch between our proposed schedule to theirs can delay the project. While threats and weaknesses have been recognized, risk mitigation actions have also been identified. Hence, our project's feasibility can be assured.
In this part of the proposal, we will now introduce the projected resources needed to complete the project in terms of IT POSMO. For the information category, to ensure the application security, efficiency, and reliability, databases are required to properly store patient-related data, post-treatment plans, dentist inputs, and compliance trackers. Specifically, the project will need access to clinic databases to gather essential patient information, including medical records and personal details. This data is crucial for monitoring patients through the application. These clinic databases will also play a key role in supporting the profile setup and registration system. Additionally, the involvement of a domain expert, specifically a dentist, is critical. Their specialized knowledge in dentistry ensures the application effectively addresses post-treatment care by incorporating accurate protocols, patient management strategies, and clinical workflows. Next, under the category of technology, developing the application requires a sufficient budget for purchasing hardware, such as high-performance computers with specifications tailored for mobile app development. Key considerations for these devices include memory, output, processing power, and storage capacity. High random access memory or RAM is recommended to enable smooth multitasking and efficient app design. A high-resolution monitor is essential for clear visuals and minimizing eye strain. Additionally, a robust central processing unit or CPU and graphics processing unit or GPU are necessary for optimal performance and graphics rendering. And lastly, for storage, at least 512 gigabytes is suggested to accommodate files and applications effectively. And once the app is developed, multiple test runs will be required to evaluate its functionality. This necessitates purchasing mobile devices for testing purposes. And furthermore, a high-speed internet connection is crucial to support both the development and testing processes, ensuring efficiency and minimizing delays. Next, for the processing category, this application requires documentation of the standard operating procedures or SOPs to ensure that all users, including dentists and patients, follow consistent processes when interacting with the system. This ensures that standard workflows for patient registration, treatment planning, and notification scheduling are established and maintained. And next is the objectives and values. As mentioned, the proposed mobile application is intended to serve users nationwide, regardless of their background or culture. However, limiting the app to a single language could create a barrier for some users. To address this, the project is in need of incorporating multiple languages or translations for the text used in the app. This approach would foster inclusivity and ensure that users from various linguistic and cultural backgrounds can fully engage with the application. And for the staffing and skills, it is identified that the project requires key human resources for successful application development. An application developer will be needed to turn the project's vision into a functional app by designing prototypes, coding, and conducting system tests. Their expertise in computer science, engineering, and analysis will ensure that the app meets its requirements. A software programmer, on the other hand, will also be necessary to focus on programming languages and problem solving. And to manage system maintenance and security, a system administrator will oversee functionality, identify issues, and fix errors. And lastly, a data protection officer is needed to ensure compliance with data protection laws and safeguard sensitive user information.
Management systems and structures. The application provides a feature that ensures all users operate systematically within a shared framework with minimal delays. To achieve this, the developer shall clearly define roles and responsibilities before users subscribe to the app. Dentists, as top management, will oversee daily operations to streamline coordination and ensure a smooth information flow. Other resources. Building the application requires adequate funding to pay professionals for designing and developing the system. Without their expertise, user experience and patient post-treatment adherence may be compromised. Consistent funding is also essential for system maintenance and updates to ensure a seamless and effective experience.
Constraints for the application includes its reliance on the input of its users. Since there is no verification system for patient compliance, the value of honesty is emphasized. In addition to these, the project has limited budget and time frames. These limitations can be mitigated with making a margin time frame, planning budgets, prioritizing allocations, among others.
Oral Medcare is a reminding application designed to connect patients and dental healthcare professionals for effective post-treatment care. Its core feature includes automated notifications and a checklist tracker to support adherence to structured post-treatment plans. Primarily, this app will help in completely eliminating non-patient compliance through ensuring better adherence all throughout the recovery process. Actualizing this project can transcend traditional post-treatment interventions by offering a new and personalized approach in empowering patients. As the world continues to embrace the digital world, this innovation is not only bound by these benefits, as it has great potential to go beyond in other fields. First, The success of this project can provide valuable data in providing insights for future research and improvements on post-treatment adherence. This will urge other researchers to explore new interventions or make refinement on existing digital health solutions, leading to significant improvement in our healthcare system. Second, the app itself has market potential. Since it has a user-friendly interface, there is a high possibility that it will be well received by the consumers. If this happens, the app will be more in demand and it could be integrated into various healthcare systems across the globe. Lastly, the Oral Medcare application as a valuable resource in digital health can complement other medical services. The application's adaptability can serve as an essential tool in fostering a more holistic approach in health management, enhancing the overall preventive care in various healthcare delivery systems. To bring this vision to life, we seek your support in developing and actualizing this transformative tool in setting a new standard in healthcare innovation. Together, with Oral Medcare, let's reach new heights and create a more convenient, efficient, and empowering solution that will foster a rich connection between patients and healthcare professionals. To bring